Kentucky, population under 300, but it is the center of attention this evening for the Gander RV and Outdoors Truck Series. Hey, let's get the command to fire up these engines. What do you say?
Hey, everyone. This is Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear, and I'm excited to welcome you to the Kentucky Speedway. During these tough times, I am glad that we can still come together in the Commonwealth for this amazing sport. It's my honor, on behalf of the Commonwealth of Kentucky, a state that produces so many amazing automobiles, to say these famous words: drivers, start your engines.
Racing here at Kentucky for the 23rd time. It's Brett Moffitt and Zane Smith on the front row, and we're green in the Bluegrass State.
Easy, coming to your bumper. Still half back in line. Looking high here. Still inside bottom. Clear. Keep a little pressure, check a little pressure. 10, 3, 2. We got to breathe.
Looked like a problem from the 20 of Spencer Boyd already, as saw a lot of smoke coming from the back end of that truck as you see the confrontation up front, and it's going to be the 23 of Moffitt on top, and the caution is out for fluid on the track, and it is the 20 of Boyd.
That's an oil leak, Phil,
yeah,
like a loose oil line that the team neglected or didn't get tightened up, and so he needs to shut that engine off and coast back in. They can tighten it up and he can continue.
Yeah, as long as it doesn't lose all the oil, it keeps enough oil in there to get oil pressure, keep oil pressure. But I was just so excited we made it through turn 1 and 2.
I was a bit surprised and excited as well. But let me point out, Brett Moffitt chose that outside lane on the start, Vince, and we saw the outside lane really be an advantage there. So keep that in mind as we race through the evening, where these drivers, such as Moffitt, they are picked to restart. Side by side, Cody Robaugh there making a move and gets loose off the corner. And there goes Brendan Poole on the bottom. They're going to be 3, 4 wide. This is crazy racing.
That's great racing, and now Robaugh's got to hang on to it. Loses control and into the wall.
Oh, man. We're praying for Joshua, the young man that nearly drowned in a kayaking accident. You can see there, pray for Joshua. Certainly wanting to have a good run for Joshua. All of our hearts are with him. He was running inside the top 20, and just, I mean, we saw it with Brandon Jones last night in the Xfinity race. It's just really tough getting down into turn 1. The trucks are loose. That's a beautiful truck, and just thinking about Joshua.
He got caught in the middle here of a 3-wide situation. That's Brendan Poole, the 30 truck on the inside. Ryan Truex, Spencer Davis, the 40 and the 11. And he turns left to avoid, it looked like, Ryan Truex, and then he overcorrected. Ben Rose did a great job avoiding Cody Robaugh, 75. This racetrack is banked a little bit more down to 1 and 2. These guys can run almost wide open for a lot of laps, but not in down turn 3. That's 3 degrees less banking, Michael.
And there's the 49 of Timothy Vians.
Around he goes. We stay green for now. There's the caution coming out, though. These guys, like I said, I'm not surprised I'm surprised we haven't seen more spins. You can really tell they're really battling these trucks in the corners. That 49 truck jumped out from underneath of them, couldn't save it.
Just got outside, it looked like, the traction compound. He had his right side tires outside the dark part of the racetrack, which is where the traction compound has been applied, and it's pretty slick up there for sure.
They've been dissatisfied with their performance, but he has kept the truck up front all night so far this evening, as we have one left here in stage 1.
I may have said stage points. I meant playoff points, Vince.
He just needs to try. He wants desperately to get that playoff point. You can tell how hard he's on the gas trying to do so. I think he's faster than Smith right now, but just couldn't complete that pass.
Only 2 drivers have earned any playoff points so far this season through the first 6 races. Grant Enfinger has 11, and Sheldon Creed has gained 2.
Grant's trying to take them all, isn't he?
He'd like that. But it's going to be Zane Smith, the winning stage 1. First career stage win.
Yeah, there was a lot of room there, looked like, to the outside of the 51 of Chandler Smith. And I think Stuart Friesen thought he was probably going to take that room.
And there's the 33 going around, and that's Brian Barnhill.
Come on, Brian, keep her going. We need to keep this green flag out.
And it is still green, and then you saw the light change.
Out.
And
Out.
the yellow is out for the 4th time because of an incident today.
Eckes made some good ground in that 3rd lane, and he's bringing the 16 of Austin Hill with him.
And the caution is out again. Boy, I tell you what, we have had plenty of them, and that's Jennifer Jo Cobb in the 10 and the 7 of Corbin Forrester.
Both those trucks are on the lead lap, so Jen Joe is having a nice run in that 10 truck, but a lot of damage there.
The final lap here in stage 2, and it's Sheldon Creed looking to cement the stage win. Comes off turn 4 and making his way to the green and white checkers for his 3rd stage win of the season.
I don't know what I would do, guys. I don't know what I would do.
I got to stay out. I got to think a lot of these. I'm as nervous as if I'm a crew chief. This is how I would sound if I was a crew chief. I think you just got to take a chance here. The sky is ominous. It's closing in. It's going to storm. What will NASCAR do? How long will they wait out the rain?
Well, as noted, the race has been called, and Sheldon Creed is the winner. His first career win in the Gander trucks. We've got him on Skype. Sheldon, congratulations. How's it feel to be a winner in the Gander Truck Series?
I mean, it feels awesome. I'd really like to finish that out and get the real check flag, but I've shown plenty of these by and I'll take luck any day.
Well, Sheldon, it's been a lot of fun to watch your maturity, watch you really get a hold of these trucks. That move you made at Pocono, I was just talking about how you went through the tunnel on that last lap and didn't crash, and then the impressive pass on the bottom. How did you have the confidence to go down low? We hadn't seen anybody else make that work. You did a great job, bud.
Just honestly, I was a little on the tight side tonight, and I could be really aggressive on the bottom, which is really nice. And watching the Xfinity race the last 2 days, ARCA day, they were struggling on the bottom, so I was a little nervous of that. And then I went and jumped out a little bit and not a lot of grip. I think it was just because we were pretty tight, and you guys probably saw the 99 was staying with me and actually closing in on me. I was just shattering the front there. So I just want to thank everyone. Jeff Dinkwitz, all my guys. They've been putting so much time into the shop. We struggled here. So hats off to them, my grandfather, my whole family for supporting me. Everyone that's supported me my whole race career, and Chevy Accessories, GMS. Man, Josh Wise, I owe so much to Josh. He helps me every single day of the week. I can text any time there with advice and tips. My teammates, Brett, Zane, Tyler, Chase. Brett has helped me so much, and just really stoked. Really wish I could have got the finish line and finished that right, but I'll take this win, and I hope we keep showing up with this speed. So thank you guys.
Sheldon, you mentioned Jeff Stankiewicz, your crew chief, and just a few moments ago I talked about how consistent you guys have been since Jeff came back over a little bit past halfway of last season. Well, how comforting was that to you to have your championship crew chief from the ARCA series back over there, and why was that largely responsible for your turnaround last year?
I mean, we were good before Jeff, but I just needed like a good relationship back where me and Jeff started crew chief and driver, and then built a friendship from there. And drink beer together on the weekends, and it's just good. So, man, drinking some beer with my boys tonight, and keep our mask on, obviously, but just thanks to everyone. This is really cool, and I keep the ball rolling, get some more wins this season.
Well, Sheldon, I want to give you a little heads up. I won a big race a few years back, and it got rain shortened, and they sent me the whole check. So you're going to be fine, and it's going to feel good years down the road about this victory today because you had the best truck. We called that early in the race, so be proud and happy for what you did.
Thank you, Michael.
Yeah, there's going to be plenty of races. Thank you very much, Sheldon. Congratulations. Happy for you guys. Well done.
With $1 million to the winner, NASCAR's All-Star Race brings out the best from the biggest stars. The NASCAR Cup Series All-Star Race, live from Bristol, Wednesday at 8:30 Eastern on FS1.
For more great NASCAR on Fox content, subscribe to our channel. It's somewhere right around here.